And sorry for the interruption that happened in the last video. It occurs due to the power cut over here. So that is why I'm continuing with the code tree. So let's check how to draw the code tree. Okay. So as I already explained to you in the previous video, if I give 1 over here as an input bit, and initially it will be 0 0. Okay. So here we will be getting the value as 1. Okay. Initially all the values will be 0 0 0. Okay. So if I give 1 as the input, the 0 which present over here will shift over here, and the 0 which was over here it will shift over here, and the 0 which was over here got discarded. Okay, so likewise I have written the x1 x2 x1 x2 values. Okay, so how we are representing that is state A, state C, state D and state B means the m1 m2 value is 0 0. So that is why I am representing state A, and here the m1 m2 value is 1 0, so I am representing C. Okay, so here the m1 m2 value is 1 1, so I am representing state D, and here it is 0 1, I am representing the state value as B. Okay, so let me draw the horizontal line. Okay, so this is A. Okay, now check for the input. So what is the input value? Input is 1. Okay, if Vp equal to 1 means it is down step. If Vp equal to 0 means it is up step. Okay, so this is the very basic rule which has to be followed while drawing the code tree. Okay, so Vp equal to 1 means down step, and Vp equal to 0 means up step. Okay, so here Vp value equal to 1, so down step. Okay, so this goes to the C state. Why? Because the state value is 1 0 over here. Okay, the state value is 1 0, and what is the output should come here? The value of the output value is 1 1. So this is the output value, or it is the output bit. Okay, so the output bit is 1 1, and now we are at C. Okay, what is the check for the input? So what is the input? The input value is 1. Okay, so the input value is 1 means again down step, and it is going to the state. And what is the state value over what is the next state value? It is D. Okay, so what is the output? The output is 0 1. So the output value is 0 1. Okay, and check for D. D, what is the value? D, again it is going to D value, the input value is 0 over here. So if it is 0, so what is the value? So the value, so the line should have to be upward. Why? Because Vp equal to 0. Okay, and I want to shift this value over here. And what is the next state value? It is B. Okay, so what is the input over here? So we don't know what is the input that is going to come here. Okay, so I am stopping up to this. So the value is 0 1, which is nothing but the state B value. Okay, so what is the output? So the output value is equal to 0 1. Okay, so this is how we have to draw the code tree. Okay, so let me explain it to you once again by drawing again. Okay, so see, listen. So first of all the same diagram, the same state A, state C, state D, state B. Okay, so first I'm going to draw the horizontal line. Okay, so this is A. Okay, so the code diagram condition is if Vp equal to 1, we have to come downwards, and if Vp equal to 0, we have to move upwards. Okay, so see, listen carefully. So for the first diagram, the Vp equal to 1, so we have to come downwards. Okay, downwards, and it has to come to the next state, which is state C. Okay, so what now I am going to represent the output over here. Okay, so the output of the first block is 1 1, so I am representing the output over here as 1 1. Okay, again next state C, we are going to draw for the state C. The state C, the input value is 1. Okay, 1 means it is downwards. Okay, it has to come to D state. Okay, so what is the output over here? It is 0 1, which is given which is what we have calculated. Okay, and from D state it has to go to B state. Okay, so we have to check for the input. So what is the input value? It is 0. So if it is 0, the Vp should travel upwards. Okay, so I am putting the upward line over here, and I am marking B state over here. Why? Because it is going to B state from the D state. Okay, so what is the output? The output is 0 1. So this is how you have to draw the code tree diagram. Okay, so rest of the things with the numerical we shall continue in the next video. Thank you so much for your valuable and the patience listening. If you like the video, please like the video. Thank you so much.